Hi, my name's Gary Ford, Managing Director of Tiger Hobbies Limited, UK hobby imports and distributors, and welcome to this short video about our growing range of 1/16 scale model kits of military vehicles. Though not as popular as 1/35 scales when it comes to scale modelling with military vehicles, 1/16 is now the fastest growing scale for military vehicles, especially World War II. The scale of 1/16 originally came from the world of RC or radio controlled tanks, but in the noughties we saw a number of 1/16 pure plastic kits come out, mainly of large German tanks, but these were very expensive, upwards of £400, and for the Tamiya kits close to £900. We then saw a 1/16 scale model of the German World War II Tiger 1 tank by Hobby Boss that retailed for just £79.99. This was a very basic plastic kit, but could be detailed, and it was at least an entry into this scale. In the last 5 years, we've seen more manufacturers coming into the 1/16 market, and this means more competition, and prices for really detailed models are now starting to come down a little. Not as cheap as 1/35, of course, but still reasonable. Tiger Hobbies got together with US-based Andy's Hobby Headquarters and their German and European distributors, Modelbrau Konig, to import their new range of 1/16 tanks, starting with the US Sherman M4A3E8 EZ8, as seen in the movie Fury. This retailed for about $169.99, but comes with great detail plus a commander as well. The range has grown with a famous Tiger tank or Tiger 1 tank, an M10 tank destroyer, and the British M10 Achilles, the same vehicle with the 17-pounder, plus the M8 Greyhound and the new M113 half-track. And just as we're speaking, we're getting the new US Army M3 half-track, which is just about landing at Tiger Hobbies and will be distributed very soon to our retailers. In the last 18 months or so, we've had a 1/16 scale Jeep, which is always useful to have in the range. Plus Gecko, as mentioned earlier on, have also entered the 1/16 scale with Panzer IIs and Lynxes, M5 Stuarts and the M8 Scott. And Gecko have now introduced one of our most popular models, the British 16 scale universal carrier or brain gun carrier. And some of these Gecko models and some of the Andy's Hobby Headquarters come with detailed interior fighting compartments. The good thing with 16 scale is the size. Yes, it's large, but with vehicles like tanks and other AFVs, they do not have large footprints, unlike large aircraft, so storage is not a problem once you build them. You'll probably tend to build fewer of these models, in the end probably save you some money. Also, generally these will take longer to complete as well, again, possibly another saving for you. Painting large-scale vehicles is a new way of painting models. It's not like the smaller 72nd scale or 35th. The paint must be applied more like the real vehicle, slightly rougher finish, I think. Also, if you stand next to a real tank or an armoured fighting vehicle, the paint finish is rough as an old dog. Aircraft tend to be slightly better finished. But at Tiger Hobbies, we've now a growing range of 1/16 vehicles, all at very reasonable prices, and these can all be bought at Tiger Hobbies at www.tigerhobbies.co.uk. And thank you for listening to this series of videos about some of the products that Tiger Hobbies sell, import and distribute. Thank you very much.